Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how to connect Hostinger email to Gmail. But before we begin, let me remind you that you can save 20% off Hostinger when you use the link down below in the description. Now let's begin. First, go to your Hostinger and then here click on Manage, and then you will go here on your email stub. And here you just need to click on this email accounts right there, the first option, and you will go here on this page. Basically, if you don't have an account yet, you maybe create a new email account. So click on this button here and just need to create new email account. So just type info and the password right here. Basically, just need to follow the instruction at the bottom. And here just need you can create password recovery email address. Once you've done, create new account. And here just need to click on this access webmail, so it will automatically open up your Hostinger webmail. So here you just need to log in your mail. Basically this is the email address, and we're gonna enter the password. And here once you've done, just click on the login button and you will now created your webmail or Hostinger email. So click on save button, and here you just need to click on I'll do it later, and then you'll find your Hostinger email right over here. Now once you've done, just need go back to your Hostinger page, and here basically you just need to click on done because we have access our webmail. And then we just need to click again the email stub right there at the top. So when you click on that, you will find these options here. So as you can see your email. Now click on this manage button right here at the right side, and you will go here on another page. And then here you just need to click on this configure desktop app. So when you click on this one, you'll find the things here that we're going to use. So we have here configure via IMAP and configure via POP. So right now, let's go to your Gmail, go to new tab and go to your Gmail. And from here, just need to click on the gear icon, which is the settings right there at the top right of your screen. So if you click on this one, you'll find all the settings. So we're gonna customize or edit the settings to add your Hostinger email. So click on see all settings here. Now go to the accounts and import tab right there at the top beside the inbox tab. So click on this one, scroll down, and then here you'll find this send email as. So we're gonna click on this add another email address, and then you'll find this option here. Basically you just need to change the name. For this channel, I want to change this as quick how to. And then once you've done, enter your email address. So basically your email address from Hostinger email. And then here basically after that, you can now click on this next step button. Now you will go on the next page. So here on SMTP server, so we're gonna add the SMTP address. So let's go to your Hostinger, and here you'll find here on under the configure via IMAP outgoing server. So right here, so we're gonna copy this one, right click and copy, go back to that yellow option. So we're gonna paste it right here. Again, basically enter your username. So enter the username, Hostinger email username, and then the password basically the same. And here once you've done, just need to click on this add account button right here at the bottom, and then you will go to another option. So once you click on this one, click on save, and then basically you'll find confirm verification and add your email address. So let's go back to webmail. Okay, right here. So we're gonna click on this Gmail team, and here in the inbox you can see Gmail confirmation. So you just need to click on the URL link, as you can see here, just to confirm that you allow the email or Gmail to add to your Hostinger email. So click on this link, and then you will go on the next page. So basically, you just need to click on this confirm button, and once you've done, you have now access to your Gmail on your Hostinger email. Now, if you go back to your Gmail, you'll find here that we are connected on the Hostinger email. Now, let's go on to the next one. Check mail from other accounts. So let's add a mail account right over here. Again, another yellow box shows up here. So we're gonna input your email address and then click on next. And then here you will find this option. So another next button here. And then here just need to enter your email or username, password. Now on POP server, so if you want to enter your POP server, go back to Hostinger and let's take a look at the POP right over here on the configure via POP under the incoming server. So basically you just need to copy this option here and then go back to that yellow button. We can actually close the other one. So here, so we just need to paste that on this POP server. Now let's add the port. So basically go back here 995. So let's find it 995. And here on the boxes, you'll find leave a copy of retrieved message on the server. So check this one. Always use a secure connection. Again, check this, label incoming messages. And once you've done, click on add account. Now, if you go back to your Gmail settings, you'll find here on the check mail from other accounts. So as you can see, you are now connected on your Hostinger email. So if you go to your compose, basically you will find here your Hostinger email. Now, if Gmail confirmation code needed, so you just need to go here on your Hostinger webmail and you're going to confirm that by clicking on the URL link from this Gmail team. So basically you just need to follow all the simple steps right here, step-by-step guide, so you can add or connect your Hostinger email to your Gmail. So you can use your Hostinger email as your business email. So that's all. That's how you basically connect Hostinger email to Gmail. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.